In this video, I'll show you how to record a refund in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open the company you want to use. Next, click plus Create in the top left corner and select Check or Expense, depending on how the refund was received. If a vendor refunded money to your business, select the bank account where you received the refund. Now enter the payee, the refund date, and the amount you received. After that, go to the Category Details section and select the same expense account that was used for the original purchase. This allows QuickBooks to correctly reduce the expense instead of recording the refund as new income. Next, review the amount and make sure the refund matches the original transaction. If the refund is related to a customer payment or invoice, use the appropriate customer transaction, such as a credit memo or refund receipt instead. After that, review all the details carefully and click Save and Close. Now, return to the Account Register or Bank Transactions section and make sure the refund appears correctly. Finally, check your expense reports to confirm that the refund has reduced the original expense and that your account balances are accurate. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to record a refund in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.